Hey guys, it's Danielle. Guess what today is? I'm so excited. I'm getting my braces out. So, of course, I wanted to bring you guys with me. Also, check out my hair. I actually wore it up today. I had clinic all day today with the students. In case you guys don't know, I'm a dental hygienist, but I teach community college and I teach dental assistants how to do dental radiography and stuff like that. And so I had to wear my hair up because the students have to wear their hair up, so I wear mine up. But I'm getting my braces off today and I'm bringing y'all with me. So buckle up. Super excited. This is different from my normal videos, but I thought it might be an interesting experience from a dental hygienist perspective, what my day has been like getting my braces off. So, all right, come on, y'all, let's go. All right, go ahead.
This is real time.
Yay.
Like that.
Right.
Ta-da!
How'd they look so far? They look good so far.
Yeah, so far.
You gotta like, what do you have to do to them now?
We just
guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, the first day of Vlogmas. I am still feeling my look. I just got these braces off and I just started combing my hair. Look at this style I tried out today. I've been feeling myself all day. But come through, locks. Come through, no brace face. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed day one of Vlogmas and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.